What's up, YouTube? It is your girl Lady N, and I'm back again with another YouTube video. So guys, in today's video I wanna prank my mother, yabo. So ubaba mukhona today, he didn't go to work today, so I think I will prank both of them. Yeah, so guys, in today's video I'm going to prank my parents with the prank, guys. So yeah guys, I want to see their reaction, to see like bazo react kanjani. So let's hope guys izophumelela this prank, because abazali bami, they don't just react nje, especially like ey'ntweni like abangaziboni ukuthi kahle kahle kwenzakalani yabo. So yeah guys, i-prank today leyo, and let's hope izohamba kahle. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and also comment, guys. Comment right now guys. I'm on my way in guys. Yeah, so don't go anywhere. Woo! Don't go anywhere, stay tuned guys. I am back. Guys, I'm so scared, like I'm so scared because I don't know which this prank will succeed or what, but I am doing it. So don't go anywhere, stay tuned. I'm going to plug the camera manje. Yeah, don't go anywhere, stay tuned guys, stay tuned. How guys, I am sorry about this clip guys. I thought ngiyabonakala kanti angibonakali, camera ingikhathile guys. I am so sorry.
It's about to go down.
Pedul. Prank, mama. Who's on my Pedul? guys, I hope you did enjoy. Oh guys, I hope you did enjoy this video, even though my mother, I had a personal guys, like to be honest, she is so angry at me. Nana guys saying good like be cranky I'm playing guys. Guys, like I said, with like it's a personal, like it's a personal. Yo guys, the content is just like, to be honest. Yo, she's so angry guys, like because like like literally yo. Now I'm so bad. I had to do it. I post and stuff like that. But at the same time, like guys, you prank nothing personal. I understand it's like I'm telling. Oh, like guys, yo. God, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and also comment, guys. Isn't the Sinzela zona, guys? Sinzela zona, guys. So please guys, subscribe, like, share, and comment, guys. Very managing you guys because busy, guys. So stay tuned. Same time, same place. Danke.